The pump isolator attaches between the pump and the plastic housings. It dampens the vibration from the pump, both making the compressor quieter and preventing damage to the plastic housings. Over time, the rubber mounts can deteriorate and fail. Replacing the pump isolator is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before you begin any repairs on your air compressor, you'll want to be sure to drain the air from the tank. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the 3 screws that secure the pump head to the tank. Now remove the screws that secure the 2 halves of the pump housing. Now I'll remove the pump and motor assembly from the opposite housing. First I'll remove the grounding screw and the yellow wire. Now I can pull the assembly from the housing. On the opposite side of the motor, I'll remove the white wire. With the pump and motor assembly removed from the housing, I have access to each of the isolators. There's 5 of them on the pump. To replace an isolator, I just simply pull it away from the pump and install the new one. And I would repeat this on any of the isolators that were bad. Now I can reinstall the motor and pump assembly into the housing. I'll reconnect the white wire As I slide the pump back into the housing, I want to make sure that I align the isolators with the grooves in the housing. I also need to route the wires around the pump. Now reconnect the yellow wire. And the ground wire. I'll make sure each of the wires are tucked out of the way so they won't rub against the fan or the armature. Now I can reinstall the other housing. I'll make sure the cord is aligned with the housing. And then I need to kind of shift the housing around until it aligns with the pump. There's an isolator on this back side that needs to fit into a pocket on the housing. Now I'll reinstall the screws that secure the 2 halves of the housing together. Now resecure the pump head to the tank. And that's all it takes to install a pump isolator in your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.